Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you a quick and easy guide on how to unblock someone on WhatsApp. If you've ever blocked someone and now want to give them a second chance, this tutorial is for you. So, without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. First things first, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Once you're in the app, tap on Settings from the bottom of the screen. Now, select Privacy. This is where you'll find all your privacy-related options. In the privacy settings, look for the option labeled Blocked. Tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of all the contacts you've blocked on WhatsApp. Find the contact you want to unblock from the list. To unblock them, simply tap on their name. Scroll down and proceed with Unblock. After confirming, the contact will be unblocked. They will now be able to send you messages and see your online status once again. Now that you've unblocked the contact, you can go ahead and send them a message if you want to reconnect. Remember, unblocking is a two-way street, so they'll also have the option to block or unblock you. If there were issues that led to the block, this might be a good time to communicate openly and resolve any misunderstandings. And that's all there is to it. Unblocking someone on WhatsApp is a simple process that can help you restore communication with contacts you've previously blocked. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech-related tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.